Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanemkar from Oculus. Today's date is the 27 December 2021 and today's topic is the string. String. String is the tool used in string is the to used in to store the specific character and sequence of the character. String is the non-primitive data type. String is the type of the linear data structure. The linear data structure is the also types of the array collection framework. It is also types of the linear data structure. Then string is the non-primitive data type. String is the non-primitive data type because it is a size in value of not be fixed. Then string is the to used in then primitive data type. The primitive data type is the to size is the fixed. It is to contain previously size is the fixed. Then string is the collection and combination and sequence of the characters, and it is stored in specific memory allocation. String is the basically type of the array. The array is the only collection. Array is the stored in similar data type, and it is a to collection of the only integer value, floating value, and it is a similar data types, and it is not stored be stringed. Then string is the collection of the data types. Then string is the also used in C, C++, Python, and Java. In C language, string is the used in C language to used in to remove the null array. It is a mainly used in string the C language. It is a mainly used and mainly purpose of the remove only the null array and empty array. Then string is the used in string is the used in data structure to used in to mainly data structure Python and also Java. It is mainly used in to initialize or to creation of the array programming and array applications. Then string is the to provided lot of the methods. First method is to see one by one. First one method is the compare. Compare is used to comparing the two string. For example, s1 compares to s2, then s2 compares to s3, then s2 compares to s1, and s1 also compared to s3, and which is compared to vice versa. There is the to compare the two string and to display the true or false answer. Then second method is concat. Concat is used to connect or to join the two string. Then equal to is the used in to the to check the string and to decide the string is equal or not. Then add of start. It is also called as a suffix string. It is to compare the string in first string to second string to check the first string element in present in firstly second string. Then then used in to uppercase. The uppercase case method is used in the convert the all characters or all alphabets are uppercase in string. Then lowercase is also used in uppercase. It is to convert the all alphabets or all the uppercase digits or uppercase characters to convert the lowercase. And then add of the then add end. It is to check first string and second string, then the same of the ending variable. Then the creating the string is the creating two types of the object. First one is the literal and second one is the new. The literal is the the literal is the to direct assign the value or string. It is a for example, and the syntax of the literal is string is string, then creating a variable yes, yeah, anyone, then equal to directly assign the string. In string is the assigned in double quote. Then again, for example, string yes is a variable or objects, then equal to, then in double quote welcome is the string name. Then the second type is the creating object is the new keyword. And then the second type of the object creating as like to array. Array is the firstly we see initialize the how to initialize array. Array is the firstly array name, the return data type, then to array name, then new then is equal to new, then return data type, and then the array size, which as like to string. Firstly return data type string, then is equal to new, then return data type again string, and then the string name as like to array. Then it is used in to then check the memory management in string. The string is to memory manage to also in Java virtual machine. The firstly method area is present in heap, and heap is present the in the heap is present in string constant pool. All new objects are creating only heap. It is not be present in string constant pool. SCP is also called as string constant pool. Then the all literals are present in SCP. It is not be present in heap. Thank you.